Hello and welcome to my channel. Today we are going to make a delicious recipe. It's one of my favorites, and that is garlic butter prawns. It's a very simple recipe, and all you need is three main ingredients, which is garlic, butter and prawns. We're going to start by heating a medium pan on low heat and adding about 50 grams of butter to it. Melt the butter and make sure not to burn it. Once the butter is melted, we're going to add about 2 tablespoons of garlic. I've taken about 3 cloves here. Fry the garlic in the butter. We don't need to change the color of the garlic, just fry it lightly until you get a nice aroma from it. To this, we're going to add the prawns. I've taken 15 prawns here. Spread them evenly on the pan and allow it to cook for about 2 to 3 minutes. Meanwhile, we're going to add our seasonings. I'm going to add some salt, some pepper, some chili flakes. You can add any other seasonings that you like oregano or basil, whatever you prefer. Toss the prawns in the garlic butter sauce. And if you'd like it as a main dish, you can serve it right away, or if you want to add it to a pasta maybe, you can add it right now. But we are going to have it as a starter, so I'm going to thicken the sauce a bit. For that, we're going to add some flour, just a little bit, not much, maybe about a half teaspoon. Mix the prawns until they are completely done, and you can garnish it with some coriander or parsley if you like. It is now ready to serve. If you like this recipe, be sure to comment down below and do subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.